Okay, so let's start cloaking our affiliate links. So you know what you need now, and we're basically just going to start on my blog. I want you to head over to the post that actually has this video, because there you're going to be able to copy and paste the code that you're going to need to create your redirect file. So head over to fresheventure.com/3055/link-cloaking-101. Now in this video, I'm still creating this post, so in the video it looks unfinished, but by the time you get here, it'll actually have content on there. But this right here, this code, this is PHP code. This is the code that we need to start creating our cloaked links. So what I want you to do is open up a plain text editor on your computer. So for PC users, you'd click the Start button, Programs, Accessories, Notepad. For Mac users, you're going to need a different kind of plain text editor. And what we want to do is go to this blog post I created and copy this PHP code and paste it into our Notepad file. Okay? Now, before you do anything, go ahead and save it right now to your computer, and you can save it as cloak code or something like that, and maybe set it on your desktop so it's easy to reference in the future. So basically, all this code is doing is it's telling a browser, whenever someone clicks on this cloaked link we've created, we need you to redirect them to this affiliate link. That's it. It's very simple. It's a very simple piece of code. One thing you do need to make sure of, though, is that you don't have any space after this piece of code right here. So do not press enter and go down and put spaces, none of that. If you do that, the file will actually break. PHP is very finicky, so you can't have any spaces or anything behind that. It should just end right there, okay? Now to show you exactly how this works, I'm not going to put in an affiliate link, I'm just going to put in a plain old website, and you can see how any link in here, you know, whatever you put in here, your link will be redirected to it. So for this example, I'm going to put in Google's website, and I'm using one hand to type, so please excuse the slowness. There we go. http://google.com. Now when you put your links in here, you do need to make sure that they include your HTTP. Don't just put your domain. Don't just start with google.com. The full link in there. Okay? That's our affiliate link. For this example, google.com is going to be my affiliate. Now we're going to save this file, and we're going to save it for easy reference on our desktop. And what I want to actually do is I'm going to create a folder on here, and the folder is going to be called Recommends. These are going to be all the links I recommend to my blog readers. So all links that I recommend to my blog readers, I'm going to put right here under Recommends. Go ahead and open that folder, and now we're going to create another folder, and this we're going to name the affiliate. So for this example, I'm going to put in Google. No capitalization in the letters. This, whatever I name this folder, is actually going to show up as the link to the website. So if this were a Network Solutions affiliate link for myself, I'd put in Network Solutions right here. Okay? So we're going to call it Google. Double click on that so we save it within that. Now this is very important. Every time you create this file, you call it index.php. It doesn't matter if it's Google, if it's your Network Solutions affiliate link, if it's Amazon, whatever it is, the file always has to be called index.php, which means it also always has to be separated from other index.php files with a folder. So it needs to be in a folder. So there we go. We're going to save it, and we're done. Now let's head over to FileZilla or whatever FTP client you happen to use. And let's see here. Okay, I've refreshed, so there's everything on my desktop. Now I'm going to connect to my web server. After a few moments, you'll see under Remote Site all the folders on your web server. Now you're going to see that I actually already have a folder on here because I already cloaked my links, and it's called Recommends.